welcome back to the channel. I know I've been gone for a really long time. Basically, I was gonna take a short break, like maybe for a week, but then I got sick on Christmas Day and it lasted me a week and a half. I was not able to move, so I was in bed most of my holidays. I'm really sorry, but I am back now. Happy New Year! It's 2024. In this video today, I'm gonna be doing what everyone has been doing: setting goals, decluttering, resetting for the new year, establishing healthy habits and routines. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get on with our day. I don't know if it happens to any of you guys, but I haven't been able to make decisions. Like, I don't know what to do with my day. I don't know what to watch. I don't know what to eat. I don't know what to wear. And then I just spent a really long time in bed deciding on what to do, and time flies. Like at 4 p.m. it's dark already, so I'm like, time to go to bed. So it's just been a bit hard in that sense. But yeah, we're gonna start. Today's the 8th January of 2024. I'm gonna start with decluttering. My flat right now, it's so messy. So this is the state of the living room. It's so bad. This is the kitchen, which is not too bad, but I need to like clean. Even the entrance of my flat is a mess. Bedroom wise, it's okay because I started cleaning and then I got sick again, so I stopped cleaning. I did wash my bed sheets on the 1st of January. This is the desk, which is embarrassing. Also, I got a new camera. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Yeah, let's start cleaning. Now onto the bathroom. Cleaned to the best of my abilities. I have this parcel that I've been meaning to open. I got 2 prints from Wall of Art. Pretty. And also this one. Okay, I decided to put both of them here. And that's how it looks. Let me know what you guys think. It's what? It's temporary, that's what I mean. So cute. I made myself a cup of tea and I'm on a sofa now because I'm about to start a class on Skillshare, which is today's sponsor. Skillshare is the largest learning online platform led by industry professionals in areas such as freelancing, productivity, film, photography, and many more. You guys know how I've been struggling with being productive and I guess managing the life of a freelancer. So I decided to start this new learning path on Skillshare called Organization and Planning for Creative Freelancers. Learning paths are curated classes by Skillshare that allows you to follow a sequence of classes in order to achieve your goal. If you don't know from where to start, this is perfect for you. It gives you a clear direction to achieve your goal, and it also allows you to track your progress and keeps you motivated to finish till the end. This learning path that I'm taking has 5 classes, and it also indicates the materials that I need and the final product, like the outcome that I get after finishing this learning path. I'm super excited to learn and gain this new skill that hopefully will improve my working life. And if you guys are also interested in learning a new skill for 2024, I will link a link in the description box where the first 500 people who sign up can get a 1-month trial on Skillshare. Thank you Skillshare for sponsoring today's video, and I'm about to start my first class. Look at Hazel. Look at how big Hazel is. Let me show you guys the princess. Haha. My 2 beautiful kids. The weather's so nice. On TikTok, there's a lot of people doing the 75 hard challenge, and honestly, I don't think it's sustainable, and I just think it's too much. Like working out twice a day, like okay, like the one time can be outdoors and it could be like a walk, like a 50-minute walk, but realistically a lot of people don't have time for it. Was it like 4 liters of water? That's so much. Like I struggle with 2 liters already. Yeah, I mean, I think I want to implement some aspects of it, like no sugar, like no saturated sugar, no, less eating out, and no takeaways, less eating out. Let's write them all down because my brain is pretty scrambled. You guys know that journaling does help me a lot, especially when my brain is very, very overwhelmed, and I sometimes write like diary entries, and it has really worked for me. This is going to be my new journal where I set all my goals for the new year. I think I want to keep this as my personal journal, like more for my personal brain, and then this can be my work brain where I write down ideas, like content ideas, like planner ideas. I set out outlines for like projects that I do. I've started this. So for my ends, so the things I want to keep or like sustain for the year, first of all, I think top priority is to establish a routine and actually stick to it. Because of the nature of my job, I always get spontaneous plans, but I still need somewhat of a structure. And what I mean by that is more like waking up at the same time every day and doing the same things every morning, because whether you like it or not, routine grounds us and it gives us structure, and I think it's a healthy habit to have. I think I want to film like a morning routine, night routine kind of thing and just like stick to that. So that's one. Cooking, but not cooking mediocre meals. I want to cook good meals. I love watching cooking videos, so I want to put that in practice. You guys do enjoy a lot of cooking content, like food content from me, and I love food as well, so that's something I will do more of, and also just take you guys to my favorite restaurants in the city or like to travel destinations that I go to. Like I love food and I want to embrace that. So yes, food. Along the lines of like food, I think new hobbies, and one of them is to bake. Baking, I have all the things that you need to bake, so just perfect. Pottery and reading. I'll put reading as a hobby because yeah, it should be a hobby. My hobby has been content creation my whole entire life, but it's time for me to separate that from a hobby to my actual job, because I think this, like, I don't know how to explain it, but like now I have contracts, I have deadlines, I have responsibilities to meet, so I think it's more fitting for it to be like a job. Like it is my job, you know, so I need to treat it as a job instead of just a hobby, because like I just don't want to half-ass my job. Less swearing, and that kind of goes hand in hand with reading because I want to up my vocabulary. I think I have a terrible vocabulary. I am just not a very well articulated person. I don't think I explain myself very well, and so yeah, less swearing, especially in my videos. I don't want to swear at all, so less swearing and new vocab. And then, as I mentioned before, learn a new language. Also, I want to walk everywhere. I hate public transport now. I hate it. Before I got sick, I would walk everywhere, and like it would be an hour walk and I would really enjoy it. I'll just put on my headphones, listen to a podcast or my favorite songs, and it has been great, and it has been really great for my mental health as well, especially now that I don't go to the gym at all. Walking has been great to have some physical activity. That's everything that I can think of right now. But yeah, I really hope that 2024 is my year this year. Although 2023 was great, I did a lot of cool things, I don't think I was doing great mentally. That's the problem. Like I was doing all these amazing things, but I was doing them miserably, and it's just really frustrating because like why? You know, there's no reason, and I want to change that. I want to do every single bit of my life and my job and everything with a positive mindset. Yeah, just being happy, because at the end of the day, what matters the most is to be happy. As much as I would like to continue on my vision board goals for the year, I need to film a reel or a TikTok and then I need to head out very soon. This is what I'm wearing today. Sweatshirt. Sweaters from Uniqlo. Back is Holzweiler. This is, I don't know where I got this. Probably like Taobao, just like a black pleated tennis skirt. Leg warmers and my white loafers. And now I am running late as always. So let's go. We're having dim sum at my favorite dim sum place in London, which is called Tao Tao Ju. Highly recommend. I take everyone there. I just got here. I'm literally crying because of the wind. Oh, hi! Your bangs. Bye. Oh, yeah, a little. Pretty. Let's eat dim sum! What are you thinking of eating?
I look like I got no sleep. Jesus.
Did you sleep well?
More than yesterday, but I think it's just... Guess where I'm going tonight? No. I've been...
Of course you did.
Anyway.
你来点吧。我真的无所谓，我就想要个肠粉。
好。
Vejo dominó na esquina e banguelo sorrindo de alegria. Doce Bahia. No alto.
We just had a dinner somewhere.
I'm so full. Oh
Yeah,
my god. It's golden.
Pretty.
Hi guys. Okay, I'm at Harrods. I'm going to check out the Longchamp and Harrods pop-up. Yay! I'm going home now. And there's a beautiful sunset going on. Yeah, it's so cold. Hello, my friends. I'm now just opening my letters. This is your sign to check your letterbox. Something about adulting is to check your letterbox. I am super bad at it. I maybe check it like twice a month, which should be more often than that. But yeah, I'm just checking what bills I have to pay, etc, etc. But yeah, it's currently 5:20. I have my little date later, which maybe I'll tell you guys about it tomorrow. But I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. I'm currently getting ready because I want to film some content for you guys. I got some new clothes over the past couple of months because they were sales, and also I just felt that I've been losing my personal style with all the PR that I get, and also I just haven't felt like dressing how I like it. I also sold a lot of my old clothes, so I felt it was justifiable for me to get new clothes. I think that video will be up after this vlog, so do look out for that. Today's quite chill. Last night I wrote down on my journal all the things that I want to get done today. Eye makeup today, I want to use this palette from Dior. I love these colors. They're like cool toned browns. I'm just using this color. I think I'll do like a really subtle smoky eye almost. Later on in the evening, I'm going to a Louis Vuitton cocktail party. It's for Pharrell Williams celebration, like to celebrate his collection. So I'm excited to see people that I haven't seen in a month. I woke up feeling really anxious. I think it's because I just didn't get much sleep. Last night I had the hardest time to fall asleep. I was in bed by 10:30 p.m. I want to say, and I was really tired, so I don't understand why it took me 5 hours to fall asleep. I think I fell asleep at 2 a.m. I was just in bed trying to sleep, but like I was so tired, my eyes were closing down. But whenever like I would close my eyes to actually fall asleep, I would hear my heart racing and then just a lot of voices in my head, and I think I was having sleep anxiety because I was so tired that I wanted to get a good night rest so I could be fresh today and do the stuff with a clear mind. But then in the morning, Peanut, as always, woke me up really early on. I'm not too sure why she does that every morning, because it's not because she's hungry, because at 7 a.m. she gets her food automatically. So I don't know why she, I guess, wants my attention. And then as soon as I get out of bed, she stops scratching the cupboards. Yeah. Okay, eye makeup looks something like this. I'm still very bloated from waking up in the morning. Like every morning it's the same thing. I'm just very bloated and I just don't look like myself. And my favorite lip combo lately, I just recently got this new MAC lip liner. This is in the color Cork. And then I use this YSL lipstick that is in the shade NM, which is my initials. And it's the most perfect everyday lipstick. And voila! This is a new setting spray that I've been using. This is from Milk Makeup. Setup is ready. I'll have a ring light, I'll have my camera, I'll have all of the clothes that I'll be sharing with you. I'll see you when I'm done filming. I'm done filming and now I'm gonna have lunch. I'll have some leftovers from cooking rice. You're gonna have this. You know what? Okay. Please don't judge me, guys, but I'm not gonna heat this up. I'm just gonna have it like this. I don't have a microwave and I can't be bothered to heat up the oven because I'm so hungry. Just girly things. Bon appetit, guys. What do I watch? I like cold leftovers, especially pasta and pizza, and they're cold and from the day before.
好的，好，我是老高，咱们今天讲睡眠的真相。2017年的时候呢，当代生物学杂志上呢。
I'm getting ready for Louis Vuitton. Let's see what bag they gave me. Oh my god! This is so cute. This is today's outfit. Marine Serre, Louis Vuitton, jeans and boots. Quite simple, but I still have a lot of work to finish, so I think I'm just gonna go for a little bit and then come back as soon as I can.